Hi again, this is Irfan with a new find today. It's a Contax RTS camera body. It comes with a very special Zeiss PLANAR, the German glass, 50mm f1.4. Zeiss PLANAR has a huge reputation. It's a normal 50mm lens with phenomenal optics. Though this particular camera was made in collaboration with Yashica in Japan, and so was the lens. But I think the it was just assembled, as far as I know, in Japan, and the parts came from Germany. Works pretty well. Meter is responding very well. The shutter is working fine. It was recently picked up. It also came with a sonar lens, 135mm I believe, but that's in the bag. Camera is in a decent shape. It doesn't show any serious wear or light wear, I would say. It's after a while that I have come across Contax SLR cameras. I do own some Contax rangefinders, but this is what I have come across recently. Thought let me show my recent find with you guys. Pretty decent example. I have never ever used Contax, SLR camera in my life. Never. I've been mostly playing with Nikon, Canon, and Leicas. But this is for the first time I have come across Contax SLR camera. You're most welcome to write to me in case you have any questions. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.